Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. He is poor, he is honest. Option C is the correct answer. Question 2. I was ill, I did not go to school. Option B is the correct answer. Question 3. Would you like tea, coffee? Option B is the correct answer. Question 4. He failed, he worked hard? Option A is the correct answer. Question 5. He is not only a teacher, also a writer. Option C is the correct answer. Question 6. Wait here, I come back. Option A is the correct answer. Question 7. She did not go, she was tired. Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. I will go, he invites me. Option B is the correct answer. Question 9. He tried hard, he failed. Option C is the correct answer. Question 10. He ran fast, he missed the train. Option C is the correct answer. Question 11. We reached the station, the train had left. Option D is the correct answer. Question 12. You cannot go out, you finish your homework. Option A is the correct answer. Question 13. I did not go, I was not invited. Option A is the correct answer. Question 14. The weather was cold, we stayed indoors. Option A is the correct answer. Question 15. Hurry up, you shall miss the bus. Option C is the correct answer.